Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of September 2023 for all the Aries Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of September for all the Aries Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Sun controls your fifth house, and right now Sun is moving in your fifth house in the sign of Leo. Fifth house deals with your love relationships, your engagement, your fiance, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your early education is seen from fifth house, your mental abilities and your planning abilities also seen from fifth house. So right now your fifth house Lord is moving in your fifth house, and also Mercury is moving in your fifth house, and right now Mercury is in retrograde motion. So we can expect positive result for your children's related matter and for your education and your love relationship in the month of September, especially till 17th of September, because Sun will stay in your fifth house till 17th of September. After 17th of September, Sun will move to your sixth house in the sign of Virgo, where Mars is already moving. So after 17th of September, you need to be very careful regarding your love relationship, your education related matters, and your girlfriend-boyfriend related matter, because your fifth house Lord will be in your sixth house, and sixth house deals with court case, litigation, argument, fight, and house deals with conflict. So you need to be careful after 17th of September about your love relationship, your education related matters, and your mental and your girlfriend-boyfriend related matters. So we can expect these results for all the Aries Ascendant people from Sun in the month of September. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Mercury controls your third house and your sixth house, and right now Mercury is moving in retrograde motion in your fifth house in the sign of Leo, where Sun is already moving. Your third house deals with your younger siblings, your communication, your effort is seen from third house, your cousins, your neighbors, your childhood friend is also seen from third house, but mainly your communication skills is seen from third house. Sixth house deals with your court case, your arguments, your fight, your litigation, your hidden enemies is also seen from sixth. Your loans is also seen from sixth house. So right now your sixth house Lord and your third house Lord is moving in your fifth house, where Sun is already moving. So you discussed previously till 17th of September, you may have good result regarding your love relationships, regarding your mental abilities and your education related matter. But after 17th of September, when Sun will move to your sixth house, then you need to be careful regarding your communication related matter, with your right now moving in retrograde motion, and Mercury generally controls your third house, and generally Mercury also represents communication, and right now moving in your fifth house and also controls your house of conflict. So we can expect positive result till 17th of September till Sun is moving in your fifth house. After 17th of September, you need to be very careful regarding your communication related matter, with your love relationship, with your children, and your education related matter. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Aries Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Venus controls your second house and your seventh house. And right now Venus is moving in your fourth house in the sign of Cancer. Venus is right now moving in retrograde motion, as we discussed previously in the month of August, predicted till 3rd September 2023. Second house deals with your family lineage, your family history, your family values, your family saving. Your speech is also seen from second house. Your food intake habits are also seen from second house. Your mouth vision is also seen from second house. Seventh house deals with your relationships and journals, your business related matter, your spouse is seen from seventh house. How you meet others is seen from seventh house. How others perceive you when you will meet others is also seen from seventh house. Your fame along with 10th house is also seen from seventh house. So right now your seventh house Lord and your second house Lord is moving in your fourth house and it's great motion in the sign of Cancer. So we can expect positive result for you people, because your house of saving, your house of family, your Lord of saving, your Lord of money matter is also moving in the house of home, in the house of emotion, in the house of family. So we can expect positive result regarding your money matters, regarding your property matters and home related matter in the month of September. But because Venus is moving in your fourth house, Venus also controls your seventh house. Seventh house deals with relationship, your marriage related matter and your business related matter. And right now your seventh house Lord is moving 10 spaces away from itself. Means if we count from seventh house, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means seventh house Lord is moving 10 spaces away from itself. So we can expect if you are having a business related to property, or you are involved in real estate business, so we can expect positive result for you people, because this is moving in the house of properties. Also we can expect you may purchase some good vehicles or some comfortable conveniences related items in the month of September, because Generally represent luxury, and in the sign of Cancer, fourth house, Venus perform in a such way. So we can expect positive results for you people from Venus. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Aries Ascendant people in the month of September. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Moon controls your fourth house, and right now Moon is moving in your second house in the sign of Taurus. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of September, and on the basis of 6th September we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is very fast moving planet. If we try to predict Moon in one video for whole month, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit easily in your birth chart. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house in transit, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, difficulty and issues are always associated with these houses. And Moon is considered a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon gets influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. An important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because and especially problem will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Mars controls your first house and your 8th house, and right now Mars is moving in your 6th house in the sign of Virgo. Mars is very important planet for you people, because Mars is your ascendant lord. Means Mars controls your major significance of your chart is controlled by Mars, because Mars is your ascendant lord, and right now Mars is moving in your 6th house. First house will with you, your personality, your all the aspects of your life is seen from first house. Your fundamental nature is seen from first house. Your physique, your health, your general health is also seen from first house. Your 8th house will be your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life, your in-laws related matter, your spouse's families is also seen from 8th house. Your unearned money is also seen from 8th house. Your research activities, your secret relationship is also seen from 8th house, and your sexual activities are also seen from 8th house. So right now your 8th house and first house lord is moving in the house of conflict, means in your 6th house. So we can say you may have to deal with a lot of conflict, a lot of argument, especially after 17th of August, as we discussed previously in Sun section, because after 17th of September, Sun will also move to your 6th house. So we can expect you may have to deal with a lot of conflict, a lot of argument, but we can also expect you will win over your enemies in the month of September, because Sun will also provide you strength in your 6th house, and Mars is ascendant lord is also moving in your 6th house. So we can expect will suddenly comes into your favor if you are dealing with some conflict, some argument, some competition or some court cases in your life right now, because your 8th house means one naturally malefic house lord is moving in energy. Naturally malefic house means negative cancel each other out, so it will become positive situation for you if you are dealing with some conflict, some court case and some argument fight in your life during the month of September. So we can expect these results for all the Aries Ascendant people. So we can expect these results from Mars for all the Aries Ascendant people. We will have 4 major astrological events in the month of September. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun will move from your 5th house to your 6th house on 17th September 2023 in the sign of Virgo. Second major astrological event is that Venus turned direct. As we discussed previously in Venus section, Venus is right now moving in retrograde motion, and on 3rd September 2023, Venus will come back to its direct motion in your 4th house. Third major astrological event is that Jupiter is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your 1st house on 5th September 2023, as we discussed previously in Jupiter retrograde motion video. Fourth major astrological event is that Mercury will stay retrograde till 15th September in your 5th house, as we discussed previously in Mercury section. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu, we have described the results of these planets in our yearly prediction videos in detail. If you are interested to know the results of these planets for the whole year of 2023, then you can check my yearly prediction videos and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of September 2023 for all the Aries Ascendant and Care. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.